What's good, my YouTube people? Hope you enjoy my trading setups. So I'm gonna get straight to the point. If you do like my content, guys, feel free to like, subscribe, hit thumbs up, and we getting straight to analysis, and we will see if it's gonna represent a trade. I do hope so. And so yeah, basically, let's see here. So at the start of the day, yeah, we kind of had a small uptrend, yeah. Then basically the London hit the Asia high, yep, right here, and now the New York took the London low basically. Right now we can see here the price action kind of was moving to the upside, now it turned to the downside. Usually I like when the setup like that because a lot of people they changing their bias and everybody thinks like we going to the downside. You clearly can see we do going to the downside. But what I'm gonna, sorry, but what I'm looking in this particularly setups, yeah, here everybody takes shorts on those setups, the way how I'm seeing, because it's break of structure and is below moving average. So here we can see we do have the ICT traders. Here we do have all the all the highs we do have like the smart money concept guys, and here we do have the break sorry, how is it called, the moving average traders. So we kind of got confluence of three systems that people trading, and everybody knows 90% of the time people they taking losses, 90% lose money. So what I'm gonna expect in this particular, I'm gonna take buys. And I will see, most likely I'm gonna take this high because who know if it's gonna get to this one. But me, for real, I think this high is gonna be my target. So if the price action will gonna get somewhere to this area, am I gonna buy? Because here are the EMA, so to me this would be a very good place that we can start moving up. So we will see if the price action will gonna get there. I will keep you guys posted. Guys, so basically I did get here enter, and the thing is because the how is it called, the spread kind of wide out, and I literally took the cells literally on the top, yeah. So basically right now what am I gonna expect? Am I gonna expect here a retracement a little bit, if just in case that we're gonna get to this area, guys. I'm gonna enter again. I do really gonna enter again, but I do hope that we gonna manage this trade nicely and we will get some profits out of it. So basically I took the somewhere here like that, and this is like 1.8, something like that. Let's just see real quick. Yeah, it's somewhere here is 1.6. So yeah, guys, we'll see how everything was gonna end up. I supposed to be enter here, but due to the spreads that are very high, I enter somewhere here, so it's 1.6, and we will go from here. I do really hope that we're gonna manage to take this high, but also I'm seeing here huge rejection from this area. I'm gonna wait until it hits my TP, and I'm gonna give a try one more. So I'm gonna enter somewhere here, I'm gonna put my stop loss beneath here, and I'm gonna take also this high, which is gonna be close to 3R. But it's very early to talk about it. We will see how this trade will develop, because everybody knows I'm giving 2 tries a day. So if we're managing to get the profit out of first trade, I'm done for the day. If not, then it is what it is. I'm taking the second trade. If it's a loss, I call it a day with a loss, and that's it. So we'll see, guys. I will keep you posted. Guys, so basically we did have a huge retracement right here for the, how's it called, moving average traders, and right now we kind of made this beautiful formation and bullish engulfing, so most likely I'm expecting right now to break this zone, retest, move up. That's my thoughts. So we will see. I will keep showing you the stats and how everything is going. Guys, it's bad to say, but I really end up losing this trade, so it's nothing too crazy. I did re-enter somewhere here and put my stop loss right here, and the stop loss is sorry, my TP is still gonna be the same. So I do hope this price action will develop itself. I'm gonna delete that, because if I'm gonna lose this trade, is gonna be my third losing day in a row. So there's nothing what we can do about it. That's just the trading, how it works. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and I'm gonna expect they to break this high, retest it, and move to my TP. We'll see. Yeah, guys, so basically I did open the second trade, and it seems like, man, today the things doesn't really want to go my way, and that is gonna be a third day. Yeah, it's gonna be a third losing day, so it is what it is. I'm still waiting for the price to start moving to the upside, but it's just too, you could see literally it kind of was going down, because he's from here, came here, retest this zone, pulled back even lower, tried to push up, he make like a low high, came back, tried to push again, couldn't, and start moving to the downside. Usual when the price action does this thing, most likely it's gonna hit the stop loss, but hey man, it is what it is. There's nothing what we can do about it. Look at this huge candle, huge. Most likely it's gonna hit my stop loss right now. Am I gonna just stay on live with you and see if because who knows, man, who knows. I'm actually like very flexible, and I tryna, you know, get so used to losing, because that's what every trader should know how to do, to know how to lose it. So if we're good, then yeah, that's it, they took me off. So it is what it is, my man, it is what it is. Yeah, there's nothing what we can do about it. So today is being the third losing day, and that's fine, guys. That's just perfectly fine, because even if I'm gonna get like 2 days of the winning streak, is gonna get back, and plus more and more and more. So I do hope, guys, do you really enjoy, and I'm really very transparent, because I'm showing you every single like move, why I'm looking at the trade and what I think about it and all the stuff. But you see me, like, I don't really make any changes of the trade. I enter a trade, giving 2 chances, and that's it. Either is a win, either is a loss. It's nothing else. People have to understand what happened yesterday, it won't happen today, and how much time you won't waste on analyzing the market. The price will do the same thing all over again. It won't do the same exact pattern, but it will do the same over again. Will try to take you off the trade. So that's the reality of trading, guys. I know like a lot of people, they expecting to see on my channel how I'm winning every single trade, but you see, like, if you're checking, scrolling down, like down on my videos, you will see I had like a winning streak, and it was pretty decent winning streak. I had like 3 or 4 days, and then boom, now 3 days of losing streak. It is what it is, my man. Like, yesterday wasn't no trade, but yesterday I could grab like this move, I could grab it and just make, because you see, like, yesterday I realized what's going on with this charts. So basically the price action was going to the upside. What's going on, man? What, is it not internet in here? What's going on with this? Let me just reload. Sorry about that, guys. And by the way, I do trade only Euro USD, guys. Don't text me every single time like about it. So if I can do analysis on the thing, on the crypto futures, no, I'm not trading nothing, none of that. I'm trading only Euro USD. So basically we did consolidate it here. We smashed these lows, yeah, and we could manage to grab this move to the upside because they took this low, so most likely people will want to take shorts all the way up here, and all the stops is going to be up here, and people will keep taking. You see they giving some profits, but then take they off, coming back, more sellers, they taking them off, and that's what market does all the time. Here is 75%, the price action moves down, more people getting involved, and at the end they taking everybody off, like whoever sold in this move. So my point of all of that is just to take all the time when you're seeing the low taken, try to go opposite. That's my strategy. You see even here, yeah, they took this high, took these lows. So obviously everybody will gonna try to get the pullback. Why should I get the pullback? The EMA is right here. Obviously everybody will gonna start taking buys here, Fibonacci, ICT, fair value gaps, and all this kind of crazy shit that you're seeing on internet. And you see like 95% of people, they losing money. That's why. Because they might gonna move straight through the levels, either they just gonna consolidate a little bit, and I could grab this move, and then after that it took this high off and start moving to the downside aggressively. What's the chance that the price action won't move down to take this high? Sorry, this low. It's very beautiful. You see, they take this low. It's very simple concept. They took this low. You see, and what you gonna expect the right price action we're gonna do it right now? It's very simple, guys. They just were gonna take this high again. So that's what they did. It's very simple concept. So same here. You see, like the price action moved down, took all these lows, all these lows. I was expecting from here, yeah, the price action to move forward to take this high or maybe even this high. Unfortunately it did not, and that's the trading. You can't predict every single move, and you can't expect to win every single move. So yeah, guys, feel free to, if you get to this point, I'm glad I showed you like my strategy, I showed you everything, and just figure out yourself. I just sharing my trading journey, you know, and I'm not here to sell courses, I'm not here to provide signals, and only thing what I like is just to show you guys how do I trade. And even if I'm taking a loss, then it is a loss, and it can be 3 days loss, and it's nothing what we can do about it, or you can do about it, or somebody else can do about it. It's just a loss, part of the game, guys. If you like this content, guys, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys on my next video. I did really appreciate all of you guys, even those one who can't hear me properly because they say my mic is, because I ain't talking too loud. So it's irritating, but guys, what can I say? If it irritates you something, just switch the video and don't follow me. It's simple as that. So yeah, guys, peace and love. I'm out.